Lugosi in the sunshine. You can see his iridescent. Oh, he's so handsome. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Yeah. You too, Lefty. Look at that comb growing. Yeah. That's a good dog. Good dog. Listen to me. That's a good dog. Yeah, I'm not used to having a chicken. That's a good chicken. That's a good chicken. Oh, his, now that I know he's a rooster, his pin feathers all under here, he's his big old ruff, like just lots of hair there, rooster ruff, is really gonna explode soon. Yeah? What's up? Okay, little dude. Thanks for keeping us safe. Lefty's got a fetish for trucks. But yeah, look at his beautiful rooster. Look at that rooster. Let's go down here. Oh, it's iridescent. Look at that. So beautiful you are. You have like a lace collar, fancy collar. Amber and gold feathers. It's like these amber feathers match his eye color. Yeah. He's bejeweled and iridescent black. Yeah. Big Island Jungle Chickens rock. He is a good pet. You too. You want the squeaker. Ta-da!